Hi there. Look at this beautiful view behind me of Catalina Island. And happy Earth Day. And I have to say that as the founder and director of the Health and Wellbeing Division of the Brave Thinking Institute, where we believe that we are spiritual beings having a human experience, one of my absolute favorite ways to feel connected to this power that is breathing me is to take time away in nature. Time to feel the beautiful breeze blowing against my skin and blowing through my hair, to breathe in. Let's take a deep breath together. This beautiful oxygen. In the Eastern cultures, they call that prana, life force energy. To connect to water, whether it be a stream, a lake, or an ocean, that reminds me of the ebbs and flows of this beautiful Mother Earth and the ebbs and flows of life. For a moment, let's just take in the sound of these ocean waves, gentle tide. If you would, just join me, allow your eyes to gently close, and appreciating with me in this moment our Mother Earth, our home, the place where we build our homes, the place where we grow our food, drink our water, and build our dreams, the dreams in our hearts. So I'm grateful to be here on planet Earth. I'm grateful to empower people to create and live a life they love living. And we do so by honoring this beautiful planet Earth of ours. So happy Earth Day. And if you appreciate this video and would love to receive more videos on how to create and live a life you love that is vibrant and healthy through brave thinking and dream building and bold action taking and accomplishing those dreams brilliantly, go ahead and give a thumbs up, maybe forward this video to a friend. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, happy Earth Day. Bye for now.